In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all the pages that you are following on Facebook from your account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account and then head over to the menu, and to find your menu, just tap or click on your profile picture, which is here. And if we tap on it, now your profile image will be exposed. From here, to find your pages, tap on this see more, and now you can see we have the pages option. So if we tap on pages, first, this will display the pages you manage. However, we want to see the pages that I follow. So if I scroll here, I can see we have this last option, liked pages. So if I tap on it, it will go ahead and list all the pages that I like on Facebook. And this is a list of all the pages that I have liked on Facebook with a status of liked. So that's how you find all the pages that you have liked on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.